Tired of slow internet dragging down your gaming, streaming, or work from home setup? The Cat5e patch cable promises to deliver speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, making lag and buffering a thing of the past. Designed to fit perfectly into any Cat5e port, this cable is backward compatible with fast Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet, so it seamlessly upgrades your existing network without any hassle. I recently swapped out my old basic Cat5 cables with this Cat5e patch cable, and the difference was immediate. The previous cables capped my speed at 100 megabits per second, which was frustrating when I was paying for much more. With the Cat5e cable, my internet speed jumped consistently to around 400 megabits per second, unleashing the full potential of my home connection. Whether you're streaming on Roku, gaming on your console, or juggling multiple devices, this cable's enhanced conductor twists and foam insulators reduce crosstalk and keep your signal crystal clear. What sets this cable apart is its certified quality. It's all verified to meet Cat5e performance standards, featuring a snagless overmold design that prevents the connector tab from catching on other cables. Inside, phosphor bronze IDC blades plated with 50 micro-inches of hard gold over nickel ensure a durable, reliable connection. The fire-retardant PVC jacket adds an extra layer of safety and durability, making it a dependable choice for any setup. If you're ready to boost your network's speed and reliability without replacing your entire system, this Cat5e patch cable is worth a look. It's a straightforward upgrade that delivers clear benefits: faster data transfer, less interference, and compatibility with your existing devices. Try it when you're ready to experience smoother streaming, faster downloads, and a more responsive online experience. Don't settle for outdated cables that hold you back. Upgrade to the Cat5e patch cable and unlock the full power of your internet connection. Whether you're upgrading your modem, router, or mesh network, this cable delivers consistent, high-speed performance that makes a noticeable difference. If that's you, this cable is the simple, effective solution you've been searching for.